pine berries before. Peekaboo pine berries. Pineapple slash with strawberries. So I thought I'd see if any of the birds like it. Let's see. Coco, do you want to try a Pinkaboo pine berry? Pinkaboo pine berry. Try. It's good. Come on, try it. Okay. You love the taste testing videos. Do you want to try a Pinkaboo pine berry? Let's see. Is it good? Oh. It's a slash between a pineapple and a strawberry. Do you like it? Yeah? Good? Let's see. All right, Sid, here, you try this. It's a Pinkaboo pine berry. Come on. Try. All right, Newman. You try. Okay, Newman, you ready? You want to try the Pinkaboo pine berry? Did you like it? Ah, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Hi, Lou. You're next. Look at Ruth. Do you want to try a pine berry? This is what Newman was eating. Here. It's good. Try it. You might like it. Here, I'll put it here. And you decide if you want to try it. You guys are terrible. You're terrible. You think Cookie will eat it? Let's see if Cookie will eat it.
This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo. Oh,